shots were fired. An 18-year-old suffered facial injuries and remains in hospital. It's believed a group of people ran from the area following the incident. Women in Lancashire are adding their voices to...
I let my guard down, especially in my local area. I don't feel too threatened here, but what's happened with Sarah goes to show that you aren't safe anywhere, really.
The University of Central Lancashire is investigating a cyber attack which happened at the weekend. Students and staff were stopped from using a number of systems following an incident on Sunday as a precautionary measure. UCLan says there's no evidence of any loss of data and are liaising with the police and other authorities. Another coronavirus testing centre for people who don't have symptoms is opening in St Helens tomorrow. It's at the Perth Community Centre in Thatto Heath. And the UK's entry for this year's Eurovision Song Contest is going to be Embers by James Newman, who was meant to perform My Last Breath